This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. Newly renovated home conveniently located 10 minutes from Westlake, 20 minutes to Rocky Mount, 20 to 30 minutes from Roanoke on 1.97 acres. 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths, single-level living west/open floor plan, gas log fireplace and large wrap-around deck. Gentle to level lot.Updates included: new roof, kitchen cabinets, countertops, stainless steel appliances, lighting fixtures, new flooring and paint throughout, some plumbing fixtures, new deck on front. Main house heat pump approximately 4 years old. The attached bonus room has many possibilities including in-law or guest suite, office, art studio, hobby room, workshop, beauty shop, etc. It has separate entrance, full bath and HVAC.Move in ready. Storage buildings sold as is. This will not last. Schedule to see ASAP. Professional photos to be added by 9/20. For more information.